Hey everyone, today, yellow DRLs, all right? Daytime running lights, these guys. Right here. Okay, these aren't yellow. I don't have them on my car yet. I keep seeing more and more cars with these color DRLs, usually BMWs, and I like them, all right? It's something different, looks pretty cool. I originally thought, now, you know, obviously I've got a white Model 3 Performance here, and I'm going, man, I don't know if the yellow, though, is gonna look good with my white, kind of blends in, so my first thought was, who do I know with a darker Model 3 Highland? And this nutball here popped into my head, Joe Riddler. The flying, jumping, parachuting, sky suit, screwball, I don't know, whatever you want to call him. He's got a dark gray Model 3, and as I thought, it looked really cool. So got him over and put these things on. You saw it already. It looks good. All right, this thing looks great. I wish we had time. I would have got some better night shots, but yeah, it looks even better at night. And the flickering, that's a thing with the camera and the refresh rate and stuff like that. They don't flicker at all. They look smooth. The install is not bad, except for one screw. Okay, one screw in the back. You can't really see it. It's, you know, there's little Torx bits. When you get it, it just kind of comes right out. It's just kind of getting to it can be a pain. Luckily, it's not in there tight at all. It's just kind of getting in there. I show you how I did it. Both sides seem to be a little bit different. It could have just been me. If you're getting frustrated, just, you know, take a break, have patience, give yourself enough time. It's not bad. You know, you got to take a wheel and tire off. You take a few of those little push pin clips off of your fender and you can get in there. It's no problem. You see the headlight, the back of the headlight right there. That part, it's all easy. It's just that one little screw. But yeah, I show you how I did it. The tools that I use, not a big deal. You need little Torx bits, little T25s in that. But otherwise, yeah, it's a simple install. So yeah, I'll show you. These are from Tesstudio. So check them out. All the links are below. As usual, use my discount code. It will usually save you 1 to 2% more, and it works in all the best places. Yeah, and like and subscribe. All right, guys, let's go. I love these things that make your Tesla look different, all right? I like being unique. Be unique. Make it your own. It's an interesting tin box. Ooh. As interesting as this is, check this out. All right, so these are the actual LEDs here. Kind of neat. I guess this just keeps the pins from getting damaged in transport? I'm not sure, but I mean, this has to come off. All right, pretty cool. Let's get these guys installed and see how it goes. All right, this might be able to be done with the wheel and tire on, but it just seems like it's more of a pain than it's worth. So took the wheel and tire off, took all of the push pins off around here in order to pull this down to get access to, because what we need to get to is right here. And these two bottom screws are really easy to get to. There's a third one kind of back there. Can't really get the camera in there to see it very well. And it feels like it would be easy to just get in there and get out, but it's not. It's not. Maybe since I've done the other side, I can get this one quicker, and I'll show you how. But otherwise, these are T20s, I believe. Anyway, that is what we have to take off first. But yeah, I would advise taking the wheel and tire off, taking this fender down. It's really not that big of a deal. Then you've got way easier access to this. Turns out, to get that screw out there, easiest way for me was to use this 1/4 inch with the actual T25 on it. I tried all kinds of other ways of just holding the sockets, all kinds of different ways. Oh, also what's nice are these screws. They're really like finger tight. They come out. If you're holding the socket right on the screw, you can just turn it off with your finger strength. So that's really nice. But I couldn't do that up there. It was just too hard to line up. You can't see it. And just using the ratchet, the small ratchet, the T25 socket on there, and just getting it loose like this was actually the easiest way. So anyway, that's how to do it. Okay, all 3 screws out, and this pops out. Does not pop out very far at all. And spin it around. You gotta push that tab in. All right, I can't do this with one hand, but anyway, you push this in and this connector comes unplugged. Okay, I squirted a bunch of this thermal paste on there already, and after you do that, kind of press it down and then take it off and inspect it. Make sure that you've got good surface area, good contact here, because these suckers do get hot and you don't want them to burn out, and it needs to conduct that heat to these guys, these heat sinks. All right, now that we got that done, all right, let's get it on the car. All right, this is pretty easy to plug back in, even though there is like no slack in that wire. But don't force it. You want to make sure you don't bend any pins. And then you gotta line this up. Even when it seems lined up, still it's not. So there, I thought I had it lined up, didn't. Now it lines up, and you know, you can tell it pushes all the way in, all the way around. Okay, again, these two screws are easy. This one on the top, what I am going to do is tape it to the end of the Torx bit here, and then it goes in a lot easier. And you know, once you get it in there, then just tighten it all the way, and you know, you might have to leave the piece of tape in there, no big deal. But yeah, this goes in way easier than it comes out. Oh, and by the way, on the other side, I was using the ratchet like I showed. On this side, for some reason, it just seemed different. Maybe it's a little different, maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I wasn't able to use a ratchet. I actually used this, like this has a little bit of a wobbly on it, and I was able to just take it out this way. But yeah, it is a pain to get that third screw out, that is for sure.